Luoyang Tianhuan, LYTH, focused on EV and ESS solutions powered by advanced manufacturing and a professional team. Luoyang Tianhuan Energy Technology Co-Ltd is based in Luoyang, China, and specializes in lithium-ion battery technology for EV and energy storage applications. We are a professional solution provider and manufacturer, integrating R&D, system design, and production. Our capabilities include not only high-quality lithium-ion cells, but also customized design and manufacturing of battery modules and pack systems. We operate in compliance with the ISO9001 and ISO14001 quality management systems, and our products meet international export certification standards such as UL, CE, and UN 38.3. All battery cells used are brand new Grade A cells that have undergone rigorous testing. We have established long-term strategic partnerships with several leading domestic cell manufacturers, giving us priority access to high-quality cell resources and ensuring stable supply and efficient delivery. We have 3 automated battery module production lines, capable of producing 900 battery modules per day, with an annual production capacity of 3.6 GDIs. We are well equipped to handle large-scale OEM and ODM projects. In addition, we are equipped with a 6 kHz laser welding machine, OCV and ACR testers, tensile testing equipment, metallographic testing equipment for laser welding, DCIR testers, and EOL automated testing systems. With advanced production capabilities and comprehensive quality control, we are committed to delivering reliable, high-performance lithium battery solutions to our global partners. From concept to solution, we're here to meet all your lithium battery application needs. Over the years, Luoyang Tianhuan Energy Technology Co-Ltd has earned the trust and support of customers worldwide, thanks to our professional and experienced technical team, responsive sales team, and competitive pricing advantages. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions, covering key markets such as the United States, Germany, France, Spain, Denmark, Mexico, Australia, and others. We always uphold the service philosophy of customer first and warmly welcome both new and old customers to visit and guide us. We look forward to building long-term, mutually beneficial partnerships with you to jointly promote the development and innovation of the industry. Luoyang Tianhuan, powering a greener, smarter future.